Yeah, that be recorded.
Let's go. It's down to the wire. Bad little bitch gon' seem like Mariah. They like how I carry myself, not entitled. Smoking exotic, this shit got me tired. And I'm rolling again cause I'm trying to get higher. Treat these bitches, this ain't got no time for a title. She say on the go, got me feeling like Michael. I told you get up, now you missing yourself.
Dresses and shit at the fucking car wash.
Dresses?
You gotta go to the other side.
What?
Oh. You ain't no member, nigga.
Nigga, that shit don't mean nothing. What it mean?
Oh, damn.
That wasn't the ball.
That was your tire, though, nigga.
Nigga, just cause your ass can't drive, that don't mean I can't drive, nigga.
We all can't drive, nigga.
I didn't hit the curve like your dumb ass. What's up? You think I can finesse with this shit?
No, bro.
$1, bro?
Nigga, I'm like, where's the other knot?
Let me get a single wash, my nigga.
But I told you that shit.
$10, nigga. $10 on the dot, nigga. What?
I be pressing 15, bro.
That's
But that
you,
shit not gonna
me.
wash your shit for real, bro. I just said that.
I don't want no. Credit, nigga.
Nigga washing his car when it's finna rain.
What, bitch?
Nigga washing his car when it's finna rain. Get that free car wash.
Oh, yo, I got jokes on.
But this nigga actually not here, bro.
You got jokes on.
He the nigga that sprayed the water on the top of the
Hell
car.
yeah.
And he was cleaning my shit. That's why I want to
He
play.
didn't notice you?
He did. We was laughing. He know my car. Me and Steve just took a moment to notice his ass. We was like, that look like Ashton.
Oh, shit.
And it was like, that is him. I was like, no, it's not.
I'm trying to fry y'all niggas.
You better delete this and then put it back. That shit tripping, bro.
What's tripping?
The video, I'm trying to play that bitch. This shit funny as hell. I scratched the fuck out my phone, but I never cracked this shit. I need to hurry up and buy a new one.
That dirty ass water.
Why that water gotta be dirty, though?
Because I'm already knowing it.
That water not dirty, bro. That water cleaned my car.
This shit finna clean my car, too. Yeah.
Okay, it got a download. Alright, it just downloaded.
Wait, he got
See, look.
Wait,
Nigga had his shirt tucked and everything.
Watch my shit, boy. Yo. Screw that motherfucker.
whoa.
It be real clean. It be real clean.
That nigga was watching the hell out of this shit.
This that little homeless as fuck.
Hey, you a hoe. Hey, come on.
What, bro? What?
Nigga, you look gay as hell.
Why I gotta be gay, bro?
Nah, bro. This nigga nutted on himself in the whip and
Watch
shit.
out, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Gay, bro.
You good?
What the fuck, bro? Y'all niggas good, bro?
Beat your ass.
Y'all good, bro?
Nah, cause you wanna laugh and shit.
Come on, bro. Alright, bro.
Hey, you thirsty? Get up there, nigga.
You gonna have some hot air water splashing on my...
Damn, look.
Damn.
Yeah, your shit soaked the fuck. What the fuck?
I ain't jumping a bag.
I'm saying, bro, you such a bitch.
Nigga, I'm getting lit
Why
up
you
with soap
drinking
and water.
that?
I'm saying, bro. Your ass put
You lucky I can't control your fucking
Right out.
this shit.
nigga finna roll my shit down when we get to the fan. Alright.
Bro, we gotta clean this shit
Shit
up,
gonna
bro.
blow the dye out my head. How we gonna clean this shit up? It's gonna dry up my itself.
No, it's not, nigga.
Damn!
Oh, shit.
I'm fucking wet as hell.
I'm never going to a car. I'm never going to a car.
No, I didn't do this shit when I went to my car. I was just chilling. Cause we was finna go to a party, so I wasn't finna fuck up our feet. Dang, bro. Your shit got scooted on, nigga. Hey, yo, what the fuck? At least we got the shit clean, though. You know what I'm saying? Tell them to watch the rest of your shit. That's why I got y'all niggas. Yeah, I ain't watching shit. Hey, ain't nobody here. I can park wherever I want to. Dang, bro. You all wet, nigga. How you not wet?
Because.
How you feel about that? Nah, nigga, how you feel? Nigga, look at your car. Nigga couldn't control himself. Nigga got excited in the car wash. You're right, bro. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? This really why I need you to ride me, bro. It was really meant to be a prank the whole time. You see how I set your bitch ass up? Nigga, this is not no damn prank. Oh, God. Nigga, this ain't no damn prank. Yes, it is. Nigga, I just got fucked up by the car wash. Car wash prank, nigga. Nigga, car wash prank. I ain't supposed to get wet for real, nigga. The screen car wash prank, that motherfucker. Nigga said screen. Yeah. Man. We just gotta goddamn clean this bitch up. Man, just clean this bitch up, man. I'm gonna clean this bitch up.
I thought it was bad.
Damn, boy, your booty wet as hell. No homo, bro.
Fucking wait, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Man, I need a double team and shit. You got my girl double team. Hey, man. What you gotta say?
You got my
Back door wide open, man.
Close that back door, can you shake that back one home?
Niggas, bro, I swear, be your
Yeah.
own niggas.
I mean, we gotta get the job done. Watch
That
out.
was a good ass prank, though.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I
Yeah.
see you. You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear
Yeah.
that?
See, whole ass niggas know that.
I might start my YouTube back up.
Tell Tyrell, go get on YouTube, man. He finna give me a cut when we done with this,
Oh, yeah,
but
for sure. We gonna
I had to
vlog
come
that
get a
shit,
video
too.
in.
Y'all
Yeah,
tap in.
tap in.
Hop in the whip and get out of there. I'm feeling how she's saying I am. I think I need a thermometer. I just came over to fuck, so bitch, I do not care if your mama there. Nigga, I lead her, you follow her. No quarterback, I pass it. I'm swerving lane to lane, I'm tweaking all the fucking traffic. These bitches bad, but if she loyal, then it's fucking magic. Losing love, yeah, it's saddening, but losing money tragic. Transmission automatic. Bitch, I'm yanking in a foreign car. If you try to run, they hawk him down, they going far. I needed a massage, so you know.
Damn, why that bitch come out like that?
Yup.
That bitch,
You remember that?
it's sliding down my neck, bro.
that prank, bro?
What prank, bro?
You remember that prank?
Nah, I don't, bro. Why is it coming out like that? They're like,
Cause it's supposed to be put on something.
no.
Like a cloth.
One man raising a whole nigga, you thought that shit was supposed to burn, bitch? You ain't like that one too much. Don't be trying to wrong. Press my shit all hard, nigga. Alright. Let that soak it up like that. The reveal.
You know how to cut look, man.
Shoulder cut?
Yeah, shoulder cut.
Shoulder cut.
Shoulder cut.
Hello. Gotta start like this.
Go to bed.
You talking about?
That bit him, bro. If y'all fucking with the cut, go follow Chop by Terrell.
Shot by Tyrell.
Chop by Terrell, man. It's gonna be at the bottom of the screen. You already know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.
I'm swerving lane to lane, I'm tweaking all the fucking traffic. These bitches bad, but if she loyal, then it's fucking magic. Losing love, yeah, it's saddening, but losing money tragic. Transmission automatic.
Go find that. Come on,
go find
it. Oh,
I'm already scared. Bro, you scared as hell, bro.
bro, he's still right here
Moving
though.
too fast.
He's still right here though. We can catch his ass.
You gotta move slow.
Come on, bro. Right here.
Right here.
Deer.
You said deer.
Yo, you an L, man.
No, nigga. Yo, ass scared.
No,
that
bro,
nigga,
no, bro.
No, man.
His ass flinched. I flinched too, the fuck.